Are you tired of struggling to clean tight spots inside your wheels? Hi everyone, I'm Brian, founder of Slick Products, and today we're taking a look at our premium non-scratch wheel brush. This is designed to safely reach deep barrels, spokes, and other tight areas while protecting your wheels. First, the soft, non-scratch bristles lift brake dust, dirt, and grime without damaging painted, powder-coated, or chrome wheels. Second, the long, bendable core lets you reach tough spots in the wheel barrels and around spokes, giving you access where rigid brushes can't reach. And third, it's built for comfort and durability. The sturdy, non-slip handle gives you control while cleaning, and the brush holds its shape wash after wash. Perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles. This wheel brush is simple to use. Apply your cleaner or soap to the wheel, then use the long, bendable bristles to reach deep barrels between spokes and other tight areas. Agitate gently to lift dirt and grime, and then rinse the wheel clean. When finished, rinse out the brush thoroughly with water to remove residue and keep the bristles in top condition for your next wash. We'd love to hear what you think, so please drop your questions or comments in the section below. And be sure to check out all of our detailing and cleaning products, providing a faster, safer, and easier cleaning experience for all your dirty toys. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy the ride.